Hey y'all, hey. I cannot even begin to describe to you how dope this is, y'all. What's that? I have to talk to y'all about something. Come on in and sit down. Cause y'all been asking a lot of questions. Can you utilize that method with this kind of hair or these kind of twists or these? So I'm trying to show you like all the questions and stuff that I get. You know, I gotta test it out because I don't know. This is a new method, so I don't know sometimes. Y'all been loving on this method, baby, and so have I. So now that we got most of the technical stuff out the way, I can just try this method with a whole bunch of different crochet hair. And these right here, oh my goodness, these are 30-inch jumbo Senegalese twists. Somebody say amen.
Amen.
This is so fly. And I'm gonna tell you what I did though. Some of these pieces, I skipped. You see these two boxes right here, right here, right here, right here? I didn't even crochet those. You have the right to install the way you see fit for your life and your edges. Now sometimes when I'm doing jumbo, ignorant, big, thick, jumbo, jumpity jump twists and braids like this, sometimes I'll skip the edge if I know I'm just gonna wear it down. And also, you have to take into consideration the size. These are really big. A bundle comes with 12 jumbo twists, okay? You may have to split that 12 in between this plait and this plait. That's what I did. That's something you want to determine. Okay, you want to think about that. Hold a minute now. Do y'all know Fear Thy Neighbor? Well, I was watching it while I was doing my install. I watch all kind of stuff. It's this one episode where this lady, she got divorced from her man, and she moved in with her mama, and then the next door neighbor of the mama, she went to school with her. Y'all see that episode? They went to high school together. So she was like, hey girl, oh my goodness, it's so good. Anyway, long story short, her ex-husband started to date the neighbor, the friend of his ex-wife. Now they going back and forth doing what could possibly happen in that situation, and he on here talking about
They just couldn't get along.
I was appalled. I said the audacity of it, cause baby he's sitting over there like you just don't know why they can't. Boy, listen. But anyway, so yes, I just wanted to show you another option. These are very soft. They feel good. The ends are like that. So if you want to dip them, you can dip them. They kind of, they do what synthetic hair does at the end of braids. So you can do that. We have been having a time with this express crochet method. Haven't we? Woo! We have been having us a time over here. New members. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? KT, what's up? Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up, new members? Much love. Y'all, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, Hold a minute, let me show you what I did.
So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard, so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living one manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been happy, working hard, just so I can say I told you so. I told you so. myself. I got that on myself. Gracefully, gotta keep it cozy. I'ma take it slowly, one step at a time till my time is up. Why you stay mad at me? We gon' make mistakes, we gon' disagree. Are you so proud of me? If you just wait and see, you gon' ride. So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard, so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could've done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell you, shoot your shot. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living for bad or best. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been happy, working hard, just so I could say I told you so. I told you so. Don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been happy, working hard, just so I